Hi guys, so today we are making donuts. So here I have my clean bowl. I have my 1 glass of milk. I'm gonna put some sugar. I'm gonna put 2 of this. So we're gonna stir this sugar in. Then we're gonna put our melted butter. And then we're gonna put 2 eggs. And then we're gonna stir. Then we're gonna add, I want it to have some taste, so I'm gonna add some little bit of cinnamon. Like that. And then we're gonna add some ginger. Here's the ginger. That's enough. We just need some taste for it not to taste, usual. And then now we're gonna add our flour. We did put half a cup of what? Half a cup of butter, 1 cup of milk. Now I think we need 2 and almost 1/4 cups of flour. We'll see. And this flour is self-raising, so today we're not using yeast because we don't have time to wait for it to rise, because this is for breakfast and already we are late. We need to get going. The fries are already looking good, as you can see. Self-raising flour helps when you don't have time to. You want the same experience, but you don't have to use a lot of time with the weight. So this is where this comes in. If you like baking, it's good to use yeast, but sometimes always keep either baking powder at hand or self-raising flour. I need a little bit more. Morning. So I think now I can use my hands. Huh? So the flour is very soft, mainly I think because of the eggs, plus the butter, plus the milk. It feels luxurious. The flour feels luxurious, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna put some oil so that I can tame this flour. This is like a spoonful, because I don't wanna add flour and then make it hard. You tame your flour with oil, especially if it's like donut flour. So this is now the second spoonful. And now after this, if you put flour, it will act right. This is like, the oil acts like African mom, like when they look at you when you do something wrong in front of guests and they need you to act right. Just the mere look of death, the stare of death, tells you if you don't stop, it's gonna get down once the visitors leave. So you see what I'm saying? The stare of death. The oil acts like stare of death. Now it's acting right. Yes. See? It looks good. So I like cleaning up the edges like so. Let me try and remove some of this from my hands. So we're gonna let it rest. I'm gonna cover it and then I'm gonna let it rest for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come and finish with our frying. Now it's been resting for some time. Yeah, it's been resting for some time. So I'm gonna start making like balls. I'm gonna make them into balls because I want like donut shaped, round shaped, yeah, donut. Needs to be perfect, but if you're not a perfectionist like me, I think this is a clear example of how it should look like. So we do the same with the rest. Such, and if you want to like make shapes with it, like to roll out, you need to make a slightly dense stick. This is soft, yeah. You need a slightly dense flour. Second one. So I'm gonna do the rest. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. So our oil here has been warming up. Let's do the test. Do the test. I hope you're going to be able to see. So when you do this, you can see this bubbling, sizzling that's coming out, and as you can see, it's even white. So you don't want it to be very hot, because if it's very hot, it won't cook on the inside. So when we take our dough, I don't know what that is, but when you take your dough, you smack it a little bit. Like that. And you put it slowly so that you don't burn yourself. And also don't overcrowd your pan. My pan is kind of big, so I can put quite a few in there. Oops. I'm sure this is a recipe that you can easily do at home, especially in this festive season, so that your children can eat everything guilt-free before they go back to school. Although we don't guilt trip our children about junk and whatnot, but I don't. But during Christmas season, he eats anything and everything. I think this is gonna be the last one. As you can see, it's coming along nicely. Let me bring you closer so that I can see what's happening up close and personal. So don't worry if it breaks. This is part of it. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna let them cook. See how cute they look? So we're gonna let them cook for a little bit longer till amazing. It's time to get them out of this oil bath. You are ready. Look at how beautiful they are. Repeat the process. Be careful of your fingers. We don't want you to burn yourself this holiday. This is the last one. So let me show you what we've got. This is what I've made. I'm actually very proud, so I'm gonna rip them open and see. So this is it, as you can see. Yeah, they're looking very crispy. So I'm gonna take the tiny one. Oh, it's hot. Let's see. Unflaky. It's cooked through very well. Okay, it's very hot. It's almost cakey. And I like that I didn't put a lot of sugar in it. Look. So now I'm done. So this is all that came out of it. So this is my icing. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of icing. That's why I didn't put a lot of sugar, because I knew I was gonna top it up with some icing sugar. It's festive season. Eat without guilt. Then January we get into the diet train with everyone else after enjoying, life. I mean, it's not always about suffering, right? Am I right or am I right? Yeah, I know, right? So that is the end product. Let me show you inside. So this is the inside, very well cooked through, no raw dough, and it's, it has a lot of dough in it, so it's something that you'll eat and be satisfied. So until next time, adios. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.